Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ryan. How are you today?
Hi, Olivia. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I was just thinking about the online courses I have taken recently and wanted to discuss them with you. Do you like online learning?
Yes, I do. I find online courses very useful. They allow me to learn new skills at my own pace. I have used several online platforms. What about you, Olivia?
I agree. I use online learning to improve my knowledge and skills. I often use platforms like Coursera and Udemy. They have many courses on different topics.
That's great. I also use Coursera. I took a course on digital marketing there. The videos were clear, and the assignments were simple.
I love digital marketing courses. I once took one on Udemy too. The instructor explained things very slowly, which made it easy to understand.
Yes, I think a good course needs a clear explanation. Sometimes, I also watch free videos on YouTube for extra help.
YouTube is very useful for learning. I like to watch tutorials and short lessons on many topics. It is good for learning a new software or technique.
Exactly. Online learning gives us flexibility. I can study at home or on the go. It is convenient when I have a busy schedule.
I feel the same way. With my work and studies, I cannot always attend classes in person. Online courses let me learn at my own pace.
How do you usually choose your courses, Olivia?
I usually read the course description and check the reviews from other students. I also look at the course ratings and the instructor's profile. That helps me decide if the course is right for me.
That is a good idea. I do that too. I always check if the course has a clear syllabus and if there are many positive reviews.
Yes, and I also check if the course offers certificates. Sometimes I need a certificate for my job or for my resume.
Certificates are important. They show that you have completed the course. I like to download my certificate and add it to my LinkedIn profile.
That is very smart. I also feel proud when I finish a course and get a certificate. It is a little reward for my hard work.
Speaking of hard work, what is your favorite course so far?
My favorite course is Introduction to Social Media Marketing from Coursera. It was very interesting, and the videos were short and clear. I learned many useful tips about marketing on platforms like Instagram and Facebook.
That sounds useful. I really enjoyed my digital marketing course on Coursera too. It helped me understand how to create effective online ads.
Yes, digital marketing is very popular now. It is good to learn how to promote products online.
Absolutely. Besides marketing, I am also interested in coding. I have started a course on Python programming on Udemy.
Python is a great language. I have some friends who are programmers. They say Python is easy to learn and very powerful.
I agree. The course is very beginner friendly. The instructor explains each step, and there are many practice exercises. I feel I am learning a lot, even if I am not an expert yet.
That is the best part of online learning. You can start from the basics and slowly build your skills. I think learning at your own pace is very important.
Yes, and you can always pause and review the videos if you need to. I sometimes rewatch a lesson to make sure I understand it.
I do that as well. Repeating lessons helps me remember the information better. I also like to take notes while watching the videos.
Taking notes is very helpful. I keep a digital notebook where I write down the key points from each lesson. It makes revision easier later on.
That's a great method. I sometimes use a paper notebook, but a digital one is very convenient too.
Besides watching videos, do you participate in any discussion forums or online groups for your courses?
Yes, I do. I often join the discussion forums on Coursera. There, I can ask questions and share ideas with other students from around the world. It is a friendly and helpful community.
I like that too. When I have a problem, I can ask the forum, and many times other students or the instructor help me. It makes the learning process much easier.
I feel that online learning is not just about watching videos. It is also about interacting with others and sharing knowledge.
Definitely. I sometimes join live webinars and Q&A sessions. They are very interactive and help me learn more.
I enjoy live webinars. They give me a chance to ask questions in real time and learn from experts.
Do you think online courses are better than traditional classes?
I think both have their advantages. Online courses are flexible and can be taken at any time. Traditional classes have face-to-face interaction, which can be more engaging sometimes.
I agree. For me, online courses work well because I can study at home and manage my own time. But I also miss the social aspect of a classroom sometimes.
Yes, that is true. I sometimes miss meeting my classmates and discussing ideas in person. But with online courses, I can still join discussion groups and sometimes even attend virtual classes.
That is a good compromise. I also think that with technology, many online courses now have video calls and live discussions.
Exactly. Technology has made online learning very interactive. I feel that it is an excellent option for many people, especially those who have busy schedules or live far from educational centers.
I believe that online courses will continue to grow in popularity. They offer a lot of flexibility and many resources.
I agree, Ryan. They also allow us to learn from experts around the world without leaving our home.
Do you have any plans for new courses you want to take soon?
Yes, I plan to take a course on graphic design next month. I want to improve my skills in Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. What about you?
I plan to start another course on data analysis. I think it will help me understand how to work with large sets of data, which is very useful in my field.
That sounds very interesting. Data analysis is a valuable skill these days.
I believe that every new course is a step towards a better career and personal growth.
Yes, learning never stops. I try to learn something new every week, even if it is just a small lesson or a video tutorial.
That is a great attitude. Every little bit of knowledge helps. I sometimes set aside time on weekends to watch educational videos.
I do that too. I have a routine. On Sunday afternoons, I watch a couple of lessons and then review my notes.
That is very effective. It also gives you time to relax and enjoy the learning process without pressure.
I feel happy when I learn something new. It makes me feel like I am growing and improving every day.
I agree. And sharing our experiences, like we are doing now, makes online learning even more rewarding.
Yes, our conversation has given me many new ideas. I look forward to trying some of these tips in my next course.
Me too, Olivia. I think discussing our learning methods helps us see what works best for us.
Let's keep in touch and maybe share our progress after our new courses. I would love to hear how your data analysis course goes.
That sounds like a great idea. I will definitely update you on my progress.
Thank you, Ryan. I really enjoy our talks about learning and online courses. It makes me feel more connected and motivated.
Thank you, Olivia. I'm glad we had this conversation. I believe online learning is a wonderful tool, and sharing our experiences makes it even better.
Absolutely. I hope we can talk again soon and maybe even join an online study group together.
I would like that very much. Until next time, I wish you success with your upcoming graphic design course.
And I wish you the best with your data analysis course, Ryan. Have a great day and keep learning.
Thank you, Olivia. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ryan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.